Breaking no contact typically refers to breaking a self-imposed rule of avoiding all communication with an ex, or someone you're trying to distance yourself from emotionally. People usually go no contact after a breakup or during a period of healing from a toxic or unhealthy relationship or friendship. If you break no contact, it means you've reached out to the person, which may be a sign that you're feeling emotionally vulnerable. It can also mean that you're ready for a reconciliation or some sort of closure. Sometimes breaking no contact can just be a momentary lapse in judgment, especially if you're feeling lonely or nostalgic. Regardless of the specific reasons, breaking no contact can have consequences, including prolonging the healing process, reopening emotional wounds, or potentially reigniting unhealthy patterns or conflicts. Even if you've broken no contact, you're still free to go no contact again if that's what's healthiest for you.